Hi, my name's Susan. I'm excited to be a part of this challenge hosted by Carol from My Blessed Nest. We get to show 5 things that we have thrifted that we use every day. And I'm excited to see what everyone has. Carol's channel will be listed down below in the description box, as well as the playlist. And I hope you go by and see her. She's an awesome lady. These are one of my absolute favorite finds. I am a sucker for red, and I love the silver chicken roosters on top. I got this at a little secondhand place. It's out of business now, unfortunately. I'm not sure how much I paid. I think it was $20, which is, I know, more than what you would normally pay for thrifted items, but I just absolutely loved it. And I use it all the time. If you watch my cooking video, you'll recognize them. And I just don't think you can just find this anywhere. So it was worth it for me. Although most of the stuff I thrift is nowhere near that expensive. I know they have a few chips and dings, but that really doesn't bother me at all. I use the biggest one for my granulated sugar. I use the middle one for my powdered sugar, and I use the smallest one for my brown sugar. Like I say, I absolutely love these. These are one of my favorites. Now this lamp I got at the same shop that I got the canisters at, and they were going out of business. And this lamp only cost me $10, and it's metal. The leaves are metal. It's just, I love it, and I love the finial. I did change the lampshade. But this is one of my favorite finds because I love stuff like this. The only hard thing is it's hard to dust. This box I thrifted from Goodwill. I can't remember how much I paid for it, but I just thought it was absolutely gorgeous. It had a lot of, looked like it had styrofoam had been glued in it, and I figured someone had used it for flowers. But I cleaned it out, and it's the perfect spot for holding all of my crochet hooks and rug hooks and stuff like that. And this I got at a yard sale, and right now I'm just holding odd and ends of greenery and stuff like that that I've used, but I plan on using it for my knitting needles. I don't knit very much, but I do have my mom's knitting needles, but they're packed away, and so I haven't gotten them out yet. This is another thrifted item, is table and chairs, and it was actually free. My boss was kind enough to give me this, and also gave me 2 bar stools. And it's been very much used. It's my crafting space. It holds my Cricut. It holds my kitty cat, my computer. I don't have a craft room, so it's just a catch-all for what I do. But it definitely gets in use every day. And this shelf, I did a video on it. It was thrifted. It was given to me for free where I worked at a daycare, and it was this ugly primary colors. And I redid it, and I'll list that video in the iCards. I want to thank Carol again for having this challenge. And don't forget to go see her, My Blessed Nest. Also, check out the playlist. And until next time, bye.